Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and today is time for tip and trick number 13. Now this is one you've probably seen me use all the time, and sometimes I forget that for new diamond painters, while they may see people using the likes of an easel, one, they may not know why I use an easel, and second, it may not necessarily be something that's occurred to them before. So I'm trying to make sure that my tips and tricks incorporate those sorts of things as well. So this is an easel. This was actually gifted to me by a subscriber, and I didn't realise how much it was going to change my diamond painting life. I had always just diamond painted flat on my little table. It was always the way I did it. It took a little bit of getting used to using an easel, but oh my goodness, it made such a difference. So if you find that you diamond paint flat and you diamond paint for a while, you know, whether it be an hour or so at a time, you can find that you get a little bit of backache or neck ache from, of course, hunching over the diamond painting. And it is amazing how much of a difference this has made to that. I mean, I'm currently on quite a high worktop, which is what I have in my craft room. And I'm not leaning over as much as I would be if I was at, say, a dining table height table, which is what my little table I use in front of the couch is. So the odd time that I do my heaven and earth designs and I work on it flat on camera, it's not too bad. But if I work on one flat on my little table, it's amazing how quick now I notice that my back and my neck and my shoulders and sort of down my back can ache. And it's because my body has got used to sitting in a better position. So if you are thinking of diamond painting or staying diamond painting for a while, or you have, you know, the neck and back issues that are maybe stopping you from diamond painting as long as you want, then I highly recommend getting an easel. It does have a few different levels, so you can really have it quite high to be able to diamond paint. I tend to have it on the lowest one, though I have been known to put it higher, but the next one down is the one that actually lies it flat. So I tend to have it on the lowest, but you can have it a couple of higher. So if you think the camera is directly above me, so you can have it as high as pretty vertical without being vertical. And this will help your backache or neck ache loads. There are tables that you can get for doing diamond painting if you've got the space. As much as I would love one, I'm not willing to get rid of the dining table in order to have one, which is what I'd have to do. But you can get what they call drafting tables, which give you a really, really big workspace that you can have on an angle for the purposes, you know, they're sold in hobby shops and things that you can get for diamond painting, but that's not suitable for everybody. Some people work on a small table like myself. Some people may work on a dining table or something like that, but I do highly recommend, if it's something that you can accommodate, getting an easel. If maybe you haven't, you know, got the space, or you work with it, say, sat up in bed or something like that, you can get some cushions that are like a triangle. So you could put one part on your knee and still have the angle. Anything like that would work. But yeah, it does make a huge difference. This one is A3 in size, and I do work on all my diamond paintings with this. It does have a little lip, so my light pad will sit on there and allow me to work. I don't have my actual light pad in here, but I do have a light pad in here. So this is a light pad, for example. That will just sit on there, or I can put it upright depending on where I need the light to be. And it makes a huge, huge difference to the neck and the backache. I will also be bringing you a tip on how you can make this bigger if you prefer to have a bigger diamond painting space to work on, while still being able to use this as, you know, the A3 size. So a way that you can adapt an easel to take bigger paintings and smaller paintings if that's how you prefer to work. But stay tuned for my next tip and trick for that. But the tip and trick for today is all about getting yourself either an easel or something that will put your painting at an angle, depending on how you work. If you are suffering from neck or back pain, it will make the world of difference. If you go to my website, addmorezest.com, there is a link there to one from the UK, from the Works, that is £15, really quite reasonable for an easel. It's the one that my daughter Megan uses. After I was gifted this one, Megan decided that it was a good idea for her to get one as well. So we had a search UK-wise, and that's the one that we found, and it's working perfect for her. Otherwise, there are ones available on Amazon, etc. So do just have a quick Google if you're in a different country, and maybe put that on your, you know, Christmas list, or just to treat yourself because you're worth it. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.